Hi, this is Joseph Wright from Active Media Project, and we're bringing you another tutorial. This tutorial is called How to Set Up Google Alerts. In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to set up Google Alerts and have them sent to your email address. This is a two-part series, so the second half deals with how to organize your Google Alerts once you have them set up. You can click the link in this video or find the link in the description to access the second part to this series. Okay, so first off, we have to create a Google account if you don't already have one, or sign in if you do have one, and navigate to google.com/alerts. Type a search word or phrase for the subject, object, or person you would like information on in the search box at the top of the page. Once you start typing, you will notice a button labeled Create Alert just below the search box. Below that, you will notice several news feeds related to the words that you've just typed in. After typing in your search words, you can go ahead and hit the Create Alerts button or click the Show Options drop-down menu next to it. The drop-down menu is simple and gives options on the frequency, source, and where you would like the information to be sent. If you hit the Create Alerts button, you'll be presented with a list of alerts that you've chosen. You can then edit the same options by clicking on the pencil icon in line with your alert. Follow these steps for every alert that you would like to set up, and make a note of each of the search phrases you've used for your alerts, i.e. music production, as this will be needed later in the process. If you enjoy content like this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the link below. You can also click on the bell icon, which will give you alerts as and when I upload new videos. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave comments below, as this will help me to improve the content that I produce. And until the next time, I wish you peace, happiness, and so much laughter.